Good morning, physical science class. We've now completed Getting Started module and the Scientific Inquiry modules. You should have taken that test by now. If you haven't, it's still available. I emailed out the code. Let me know if you have any trouble with it. Today we're starting matter. And so when you click here, I've changed it a little bit. It should pop right up to the dates. This down here is not a correct date. I've got to fix that. Today and tomorrow we're dealing with classifying matter. So you're going to need to click here. And here are your assignments. So for today, you have three things: discussion, question, the Ed Puzzle video on classifying matter, and then a classifying matter worksheet. So those are the three items that are due today. Tomorrow you'll do a reflection, and then you will go back to um, this page and you will start properties of matter. And so this is our next unit. And so through Friday, you should get through these two sections here. And then next week, we will have these two, and you'll probably test next week. So we're moving kind of fast. So you need to make sure you are keeping up and getting your assignments submitted. If you have assignments that are missing, the easiest way to do is go to grades, and I haven't graded anything from last week yet. I'll be working on that this week. If it's submitted and not graded, you would see probably some kind of icon. If it's missing and not submitting, you would have missing. You may have a 0 here and it say missing. That still means you haven't turned it in. You can then still complete it. There may be some circles that says late, and there may not be a grade yet. The late means it's been submitted, but I haven't graded it. But you should have everything done up through matter. And it's quite a lot because everything I do, there's some type of grade associated with it. So you should have up through Intro to Physical Science test and or the Quizlet Review 1. Anything that starts with classifying matter, that is starting for this week. And you can tell by the due dates here when things are due. You may or may not be able to click here. For example, if I click on, let's find something here, this one, you won't see this until you click on Submit Assignment, and then you see the directions, okay? And so this is one where if you have trouble following these directions, you need to let me know because you have to take a picture of it and you're uploading the picture. So you would go to Google Drive, find the Google Doc, and upload from there. And then press submit assignment. So that's how you can get to your assignments from your grades. So make sure you're looking at grades. And I try to give about 7 days before I start grading. So I'll start grading the stuff from next week. But we've started matter. So again, to get to that, I don't know why that message came up. Oh, it was because it was assignment. Again, we are now on matter right here, okay? And we're in the first one. Now, also something else you may not realize is on your home page here, there's a to-do list. That to-do list will tell you things that you haven't done yet. It also has things that aren't due yet either, so you need to look at the due date. If it doesn't pop up here, sometimes on your screen, depending on how it is, it will pop up at the bottom. But see, and look at the due date. So if it's not yet due, you don't, it's not late. But anything that pops up with an August due date, you need to make sure you make up. If you have any questions, please email me and let me know what's going on. And we have Google Meets this week, Wednesday and Friday.